The truth about habits, identity, and lasting transformation. If your past choices have shaped your present, then your current actions are shaping your future. Are you building the life you truly want, or just repeating old patterns? Habits are powerful. They don't just control what we do, they shape who we believe we are. For example, I always snack during movies. I'm just bad with money. Or I never finish what I start. These aren't just behaviors, they become identity statements. But here's the thing, you're not your habits. You're the one who can observe and change them. Imagine this, each time you choose a different thought, a different action, you create a new neural path. At first, it's hard, like walking through tall grass. But the more you walk it, the clearer the path becomes. Soon, it's easier than the old way. And if you fall back, that's not failure. That's part of the rewiring process. Don't expect perfection. Expect growth. Expect discomfort. Expect to meet parts of yourself that are ready to heal. Because in the end, true change happens not when you hate who you were, but when you love yourself enough to become who you truly are. Real transformation doesn't come from force. It comes from alignment. When your vision of who you want to be resonates with your heart, your actions begin to flow naturally. This is the secret to sustainable change. It doesn't feel like effort. It feels like coming home. And remember, habits don't just shape your life, they reflect your self-worth. When you believe you deserve a better life, your choices follow that belief. So ask yourself, not just what do I want to change, but who do I believe I am becoming? That question unlocks your future.